Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C of Cycling Crochet. Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a vest, a simple vest, and I'm using a 3.0 hook, and I'm using these yarns, and I'm going to use a pair of scissors as well as stitch markers. So you just take any of your colors, then you make a chain, and this time you are going to work it vertically. So you measure from under your armpit to the length that you want. Okay, so you chain according to, then you make next you chain 3, then you skip 2. In the third stitch hole you make a single crochet. Right, you chain 3, you skip 2. In the third you make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2. In the third make a single crochet. So this work is all about chaining of 3, skipping of 2, and making a single crochet. Okay, so you're doing that till we get to the beginning of the chains. With this work you can use any colors of your choice, and I'm going to use these colors for it. Okay, so at the end you will chain 1, then you'll work like this, then you chain 3, then you make a single crochet into the first mesh hole that you have like this. You chain 3, make a single crochet into the mesh hole that you have already created. Okay, so for the next of the rows you chain 3 and you make a single crochet into the mesh hole that you have already created. Chain 3, make a single crochet. So this work is very simple to make. Okay, so you keep on increasing this side to okay, so this is it. Now keep on with it, and you can change your colors as long as you want it. Okay, we can use one color for it. So I've made 12 rows of this color, then I'm going to change the colors and make another 12 rows of this color. Okay, so you chain 1, you chain 3, then you make a single crochet. Okay, so this part I'm trying to increase this side of my work. So instead of chaining 1 and 10 in my work, I chained rather 2 and 10 in my work. Okay, you chain 3, make single crochet throughout. But anytime I get to the top part of my work, instead of chaining 1, I chain 2 before I turned my work. So let's do that. Okay, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, and give me a like, comment below. You can check the other videos as well. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to chain 2, then I turn my work again. I'm doing this because I'm trying to increase this part. Okay, I'm trying to increase this part like this. So in it, but the base part you're not going to do the increase, you only chain 1. But anytime you get to where you have to increase like this part, you chain 2. Okay, so you see that this part is gradually increasing. Okay, so we are going to do that, and this is what we have. Okay, you can see that this part has been increased. Now we are going to reduce it again. So we increase it because of we want to create an armhole over there. Okay, so that where it falls can be under your armpit, so that we create an armhole which will not be too tight for you. Okay, so we are going to increase again. No, this part I'm going to reduce because I've already increased to a certain peak. So when I get here, because I want to reduce it, I just do it up to where this one ends. Okay, not the peak one, but up to just this part. I'm not going to continue again. Okay, look at this one. You see it ends here, so I'm ending there, and you can put your stitch marker there for just for indicate. Okay, to just to indicate. So I'm just going to end here. I'm not going to do for the last one. So I chain one and turn my work again. Then I continue with my chaining of 3 and making a single crochet, chaining of 3 and making a single crochet. So you can see that we've kind of raised one part of the work. Okay, this part we are just going to, that's where we'll create the sleeve. Okay, so just an armhole. Okay, we kind of extended it so that the top part of our work wouldn't look very straight, but it will have some style added to it. However, you can just make it straight like that. When I'm done, I will teach you another way of increasing that part as well. Okay, so next of all, I'm going to continue like this. Then when I get to the other part, when I'm going to where I'm supposed to create another sleeve or create an armhole, I will definitely increase that side too, just one part of it. Okay, so right now where we've got into the neck part of our work. So after the neck, we are moving on to the other side where we have to create a sleeve again, but I'll show you how to do that. So let's continue with it. So you see, this is the neck hole of our work. Now you have to create another peak like this. Okay, so after chaining and make a single crochet, trying to increase it again just like we did for this part. Okay, so let's do that. Chain 3, make a single crochet, chain 3 and make a single crochet. Okay, so after getting to this, we keep on. Yeah, so you see that I've increased this part, but let me show you another means of doing that if you are a bit confused. Okay, so when you get to where you have to increase it, you have to chain like 6, then you turn your work like this, then into the third stitch hole you make a single crochet as if you are creating a base kind of thing. Then you chain 3, then you make a single crochet into the first mesh hole that you have. Okay, so like this. So instead of gradually increasing like how we did previously, you can do it like this. It's still the same. Okay, so we are making the same mesh holes for the other side. Okay, so basically we created this peak at the ends of your neck holes. Okay, let's move on with knit. So we are still working for the front part of our work. You know, we started from the side of our work, and we are going to end at the other side of our. We started from one side of our body, so we were going to end at one side of our body. We are working vertically. Okay, so after several rows, this is our neck hole. Then the side are going to be where our armhole is going to be. Okay, so we are going to have a repetition of this one. Okay, so let me fold the side like this. I'm going to have a repetition of this. So wherever you get to where the peaks we've created this peak, you do the same thing. So I'm going to crochet to I get here, then I increase this part, then I continue with the normal one until I get to this part, okay, and increase again, then I seal it over here so that our work will be complete. So after doing that, this is what we have. Now we are going to join two works together. Okay, so you look out for the negative part or the place that is not all that attractive, then you make single crochet in to join the two pieces together. So I'm making single crochet in each stitch hole that I see over there, joining the two pieces together. So single crochet till you get to the end of your work. If you want the meshes to be a little bit bigger, you need to increase the number of chains that you make. Okay, so this is our work. Now let's turn it this way so that the stitches go in the inside. Now this is what we have. Now I'm going to extend this armhole so that yes, so I have to make a chain so that I'll face it at the other end of my work. So as you chain it, you compare to see if it's okay for you, because this one is going to be a kind of your sleeve. So I'm still checking. Then I make a single crochet to fix it. So this is going to be my armhole. Now I'm going to have a single crochet around this part of the work. Okay, sorry, going to have single crochet. So let's turn it like this. So I'm making single crochet in each stitch hole again. So I'm going to go round with a single crochet, round throughout. Okay, to I make like 4 to 5 rows of the single crochet. We kind of we are increasing the armhole because we don't want it to be that thin and we want it more attractive and solid. Okay, so single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Okay, get here to make your single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So you're going to go round and round this side, and when you are done, you do the same thing for the other side of our work, and I want to make the same sleeve length, and you make your single crochets. Okay, so I'm going to go around 4 times, 5 times, and I'm done. So I made the other side too like this, and at the end this is what you have. Now you are going to work for the neck hole. Okay, this part. So you're going to have a single crochet at the neck hole, round and round again, single crochet with the same color. Okay, so I'm still going to use the black. You can use any of the color, and at the end this is what you have, guys. Isn't this so beautiful and simple to make? Thank you for joining me with this tutorial, guys. I'll see you in my next video tutorial. Bye.